Hello and welcome back to KGC Engineering and to our mini project. Now it has been a very long time since we've actually done any work on this, but we're now at the stage where we've got space and time available in the workshop. We've managed to get rid of a few of the jobs are finished and they're out the door and out of the way, so now we can actually really dedicate some proper time and see about getting it done at last. So today is a momentous day in some ways, because today is the start of the welding repairs which are needed to the shell. Now we've got a heck of a lot of welding to do. I'm going to do it in various stages. I'm not going to try and do it all in one go. I'm just going to do a bit at a time, because that's the best way to do it. So first of all, we're going to start off with the front end. We'll then do the back, and then we'll do the bits in the middle once we've got a bit more strength in there, so we can get it on our rotator and really get some nice welds done and sorted out on that. But that's going to be a good few weeks away before we get anywhere near there. So for most of this is going to be in time lapse, and you'll just see how we cut it out and weld it all back together with all the new panels. So enjoy. Well, that has been quite an afternoon, really, and getting to this stage. I mean, the inner wing is just placed in at the moment. It's just a trial fit. I've not fully adjusted it into position yet, but it's certainly looking like it's going to fit, which is fantastic. And it just goes to show that some panels that you get are actually really, really good, and the mini ones are certainly looking that way. So, as you can, obviously, you will see now we've got the front panel on as well. I test fitted the wing, the top of the wing this side, to see how it was going to fit. And obviously now I've got the inner wing more or less in position. As like I say, I need to get it into its final position, which will be the next task, because then I can mark out where I need to drill it to put our plug welds in, ready to actually get it properly in and welded up. So we're looking like we're heading in the right direction, and there's not really been too many problems cutting the old wing out. In some cases there wasn't much of it left, but a lot of it obviously had repairs, around here on the inner wing area here. Obviously it gets water splashed up from when you're out and about driving, but certainly once we've got these in, this front end is going to be a lot stronger to do. And then once I've done this side, I'll get this to a suitable stage, probably just get this inner wing in and maybe the A-post and sill section, and then I'll do exactly the same the other side before fitting the scuttle panel and then eventually the wings on the front. But so far, so good. I think it's time for a well-deserved cup of tea. Well, there we are at the end of our first day of welding repairs, and I've just put the bonnet and the wing in temporary. It's not bolted in or even welded in yet, so it's got a little bit of work to do, prep work wise, to bolt it together, but you can see that it is going to come together really well. It actually does look like the front end of a Mini still, which is obviously a bonus. So over the next few days, if not weeks, obviously I'm going to be going through and getting the whole car essentially put back together and rebuilt properly, with the panels and that, and we'll hopefully have a completed Mini ready to go to the paint shop very soon. So the next few videos are going to be similar to this one at various different points around the car, and obviously the next day on this is going to be welding that inner wing in, and looking at the front scuttle panel, or perhaps the other side. I'll see how the day pans out and how things go. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, don't forget to give us a good old thumbs up. Also do make sure that you hit the subscribe button as well, as it really does help the channel out quite a bit. So until next time, happy classic motoring.